Coach, congratulations for this victory. After you each scored 13 points in the third quarter, you made your own run and you were able to bounce back and finish with the victory. So what can you say about the boys' response after the third quarter?
I can only remember the third quarter. I had a migraine when we allowed them to score 33 points. It just shows how explosive UE could be. You know, something that we kept on emphasizing sa mga players namin. Against them, you just have to play consistently, especially dun sa defensive. I think we didn't do our part in the third quarter. That's why they scored 33. We need to do a better job. Mabuti na lang, fourth quarter, we were able to recover, and match up well, or match up better.
Take to earn, you have 15.6 rebounds, 2 assists. So, yun nga, hindi maganda yung third quarter, pero at least nakabawi kayo sa final quarter. So, ano kailangan gawin pa maging madala yung Adamson style of play na depensa? Yun ang kailangan. Yun sa fourth quarter, parang maulit itong nangyari.
Yung kagaya nga po sabi ni Coach Nash na dapat mas maging consistent kami kasi di mo yung basketball runs yan eh. So throughout the game dapat consistent po talaga. Defense and offense.
Thank you, Earl. To Ray, 60 points, 3 rebounds, 3 assists, and plus 18. So yun nga, nakabalik kayo sa win code. So ano yung kailangan, good sa consistency, ano yung kailangan ko para magkaroon na kayo ng wins, maging maganda yung ako ng eliminator?
Siguro yung pinakakailangan namin sa playing together. Kasi nung off-season kaya kami nananalo kasi ganun yung laro namin. Medyo absent yun nung first 4 or 5 games namin. Ngayon, makakabuera na ulit kami na naglalaro na ulit kami as a team. Hindi na namin iniisip yung sarili namin na priority namin yung manalo and execution sa offense and defense.
Did you make a choice of the first question?
Coach, you mentioned yung difference ng third and fourth. How happy are you dun sa capability your team being able to recover from that na yung ibang team pag binagsakan ng 33 para makahabol, deflated na but yung quick turnaround and forcing you into just a singular field goal, the defense was very stout in that fourth. How happy are you with at least that final 10 minutes?
Well, we don't really have a choice. No? If we really want to win, we just have to make our adjustments in game. No? Hindi naman sikreto yun. So I guess we adjust sa and namin sa coaching, we just adjusted sa matchup. But I think the players were more aggressive in the fourth quarter. Well, we saw, sabi nga ni Earl kanina sa amin, marami nag-dive sa bola. It just shows how players wanted it. So, sana palaging gano'n. And today, hindi na namin inisip kung paano pa yung tawag ng referee. Diba? So, ngayon, naglalaro lang kami, nagko-coach lang kami today, no? Not like the previous games na pati yung problema namin.
Coach, yung strong start yung first half was largely important sa tiny baskets there. Can you talk about yung adjustment niya to the serious level in his first two games with Adamson?
Well, he needs to grow. I think that's the reality. May mga, may mga aspeto ng game niya na medyo given na ngayon. But for him to be a really great player, papunta naman siya doon, he's just a first-year player. Kaya nga sinasabi sa kanya, wala ka nang ginawa, kundi itira lang, di ba? So, kasi meron pang ibang pwedeng gawin sa game, especially pag nakakashoot ka, di ba? Because the defense will adjust and do something else against you. So, yan yung part of his, I think, realization, part of his learning. Pero hindi naman kami nagmamadali. Again, trabaho namin to remind him. Sana mapag-aralan niya yun because he will be a great player. But, hindi lang siya, kasama ng mga ibang kasama niya sa Ang daling tumira eh. Ang daling magbato ng bola sa
Building on what coach said, nabanggit ko rin kanina yung consistency na hindi naman differ para sa'yo. For your person, gano'n ko na lang gusto maging, hindi lang offensive din, pero also on the defensive side, maging ano ka rin, maging key contributor ka rin.
Siyempre, kasi yung high school pa lang namin, yung unang sinasabi nila Coach Mike, defense comes first. And siyempre, sa seniors din, ganun din naman yung, andun din naman yung other coaches sila, Coach Gilbert, na in-instill sa amin na magdepensa muna at susunod yung offense.
And he's one of the more stable players that we have defensively, actually. Si
Coach, we're heading on the last time na matapos ng first round. So, yun nga, and so far, it's a rough patch nangyayari sa inyo. So, ano yung kailangan gawin nyo para help ko sa consistency? Yung kilala nyo yung na sa defense side, yung trademark nyo na defense, ano yung kailangan nyo?
Ang focus namin is just on the controllables eh. No, maraming mga bagay na nangyayari na hindi namin hawak. Actually, if we look at the previous game, we had it under control. Diba? There's something happened na hindi naman namin kontrolado. So, I think we just have to play about that. If it happens again next time, so dapat mas better prepared kami moving forward.
Congratulations, Coach Nash, Earl, and Ray Allen.
Thank you po.